Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to delete your Claude AI account. So if you decided you had enough and you want to close your account down, it's really easy to do. All you need to do is navigate to Claude AI and log into your account. Then on the left-hand side at the bottom, click onto your profile, then click on settings. From there, the second one down, click on account, and you should see a little section that says delete your account. From there, click the delete account button, and this will pop up, and you just have to confirm that you understand that deleting your account is permanent. You have no way of recovering your account or conversation data. If that's what you want to do, click I understand, and your account will be deleted. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.